This is the Core2 audio spectrum analyzer, and it's using a Core2 computer based on the ESP32, and it's capturing with its internal microphone the audio. As I speak, you're getting the spectrum across the screen. So we've got low frequencies here, high frequencies. So if I count, let it go. 1, quite a broad spectrum there. 2, and it's displaying that on the Core2 LCD. And it takes the time domain waveform from the microphone, and it then converts that using a fast Fourier transform into this frequency spectrum of the audio signal.